In the wee hours of January 16, Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan was stabbed 6 times at his Bandra residence. He was rushed to Lilavati Hospital where he underwent spinal and plastic surgery for his wounds. However, the probe into the attack is now mired in controversies and inconsistencies, and a number of unanswered questions still remain. The current update is that a local court in Mumbai extended the police custody of Bangladeshi national Shariful Islam till January 29th on Friday. Asking for more time, the state prosecutor said that there are more recoveries to be made, including the shoes that the accused was wearing at the time of the incident on the 9th of January 16. The investigation officer also informed the magistrate that the CCTV footage and the facial recognition that is essential to be captured from there is also pending. However, arguing before the magistrate, Shariful's lawyer Sandeep Shekhane claimed that the Mumbai police has wrongly named his client as prime accused, mainly because he happens to be a citizen of Bangladesh. The lawyer also said that Shariful's face does not match with the face as shown in the CCTV footage, which has been doing the rounds on social media as well. The lawyer claimed that the face of Shariful Islam Shehzad, the 30-year-old Bangladeshi who has been detained, definitely doesn't match the face of the man seen in the CCTV footage, and he has backed his claim with a forensic report of face analysis or facial analysis. Shekhane, who says he was approached by the Shariful's family to represent him, also said that the forensic team did not follow protocol and did not sanitize the crime scene as they should have. This is against what the Mumbai police has been claiming and has been saying these past few days, that they have followed all protocols and that they have done a proper crime scene recreation. And during this crime scene recreation, they also found Shariful Islam's cap. But the lawyer says that the fingerprints should have been taken on the first day of the crime itself, which was not done as per protocol, and which he says the forensic team clearly missed. The lawyer also added that the police has presented no such prima facie evidence that suggests or that can indict Shariful as being the accused in this case, saying, and because the evidence cannot authoritatively say that Shariful Islam Shehzad is the one who has committed the crime of breaking into Saif's house and injuring him. Only based on the CCTV footage, they cannot arrest anyone with a similar face. Before Shariful Islam Shehzad, there were 3 others who were arrested, and all 3 of them were then let off. So we see here how there are several loose ends here, several questions that remain unanswered and make the case very suspicious. So what are the questions that one needs to ask, that people are asking, and the questions that are doing the rounds on social media as well? The moment the incident took place, nobody raised an alarm. Nobody called the police and the neighbors immediately. Given that the society is so high profile in Bandra, which is a uptown suburb in Mumbai, how can there be such a big security lapse? Why was there a delay in lodging the FIR? That is also a reason for raising suspicion. There was a considerable time gap between the time of the attack and the time the accused left. Yet, for such a long time, nobody was able to spot him, nobody chased him, and despite there being CCTV cameras in the area, in the neighborhood, yet the Mumbai police has been unable to nab the accused. How is it so easy to break into a high-profile society like Shanti Sadan? No security guards were alerted. After hours of delay, Saif Ali Khan goes to the hospital, that too by an auto rickshaw and unaccompanied by any senior family member. These are the questions everyone's asking. The court also said that suspicion of an international conspiracy cannot be ruled out, and lawyer Shekhane mentioned that there has been a charge of attempt to murder on Shariful, and that there are a number of people who want to come up as witnesses but are not doing so out of pressure associated with a high-profile case of a celebrity. He also maintained that police charged Shariful with attempt to murder despite there being no evidence substantiating it. The police continues to look for the clothes on which bloodstains were present after the attack, after the scuffle with Saif Ali Khan, as well as that knife which broke into two during this scuffle between Saif Ali Khan and the attacker. And both these things are yet to be retrieved by the police. The Mumbai police's claims of being in contact with Shariful's family have also been countered by his father. The cops said that they reached out to the family over the phone, and they reached out to the family in person. However, the family has denied all these claims. Shariful's father reportedly said that no calls were made by the police to them. As the investigation proceeds, the case seems to be getting murkier. Mumbai police has a lot to answer.